Nung nag-college ako, wala ring cellphone at social media, kaya aral na lang. Pero ngayon, ang dami ng distractions. That is why I am here to remind you, practice focus and discipline. Train yourselves to work on what is difficult and work every day on what matters most for your goals. At habang papalapit na kayo sa pagiging professionals, you will graduate soon and take the CPA board exam after. I encourage you to strengthen 3 things: your discipline for academic learning, your social awareness, and most importantly, your values and your work ethics. Here at the BIR now, marami kaming tinatrabaho at inaayos para gawing mas madali, mas malinaw, at mas maayos ang proseso ng pagbubuwis. Ang gusto naming ipamana sa inyo, the next generation of CPAs and tax professionals and taxpayers, is a BIR that enjoys the trust of the people because it will consistently deliver high quality, professional, and compassionate public service by the revenuers of sterling integrity and unquestionable qualifications. Ang dasal ko para sa inyo is you all pass the CPA board exam. At sana, nandito sa mga kaharap kong ito ang future top-notchers. Pag nangyari yon, come and see me again. That's it. Thank you and good afternoon.